Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games if it keeps crashing. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Again, %local app data %. So just click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and maximize this one. We are going to find the Epic Games launcher right here in the list. Again, the launcher, not Epic Games. So double click on it. And then in here, we are going to find saved. Double click on saved. Also web cache. Okay. So we would need to clear this launcher's corrupted cache and ensure that it has administrative privileges. Okay. So click on it, make sure that you delete it. Close this one. Right click on Epic Games Launcher. Click on Properties. Now go ahead and go to Compatibility right here. Go ahead and click on Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Now just basically double click on it. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up, and check if it helps. Okay. Now if that still won't work, close this one. Close it right here in the taskbar as well. Now go ahead and right click on it once more. Properties. Compatibility. Tick on Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And again, just double click on it and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, let's try to go ahead and repair the application. Here, right-click on your Start menu, click on Installed Apps, find Epic Games. Right here, Epic Games Launcher, click on 3 dots, and then just uninstall it. Okay? Once uninstalled, do not reinstall it yet. Close this one, and then once done, go ahead and open up your graphics card software. For example, I have here the NVIDIA app. Okay, just make sure that when you go ahead over to drivers, everything is up to date. Okay, if it says update right here, go ahead and update it. And once that's done, restart your computer first. Okay, once your driver is updated, restart. And after that, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just download Epic Games once more. Okay, download it, install it, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Epic Games if it keeps crashing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.